In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve these beautiful flexi rod results using Betterlength clip-ins, y'all. So let's get into it. So I'm taking my bonnet off, y'all, and this is how my hair look up under it. Yeah, it looks a mess. So I actually washed my hair, and I did not do a blowout using heat. Instead, I'm just doing, or I did a heatless blowout. So that's why my hair looks like this. So it's been like this for 2 days. So yeah, so I'm just unraveling it, and I'm just picking out all of the curls and making sure that I detangle it, because what I'm going to be doing is prepping my hair for installing the Betterlength clip-in. So this is how my hair looks with it all out. To create my braid pattern, I like to start with the part that I'm going to be actually having my hair land. So that's how I'm going to start off, and then I'm just going around it so that way I can leave some out. So for now, you just see me creating my braid pattern, but this is going to be my leave out. So I'm just braiding that down so that way I can get it out of the way. Now that I created my leave out, I went on ahead and I did my braid pattern, y'all. It was a little bit of struggle. I was gonna do a tutorial, but I just kind of gave up in the back, as you see there. It was so thick and it was just like, oh my god. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So I am now installing the Betterlength clip-in. So it is the Afro Kinky Curly in 3C4A, and I did get it in 20 inches. To get the look that I'm going for, I went on ahead and washed the clip-ins, and I'm gonna be applying the Design Essentials Natural Blow Dry Styling Primer, so that way I can actually protect it from any type of heat. So I went on ahead and blow dried my hair, and then I'm just going to be creating a blowout with this. One bundle of their clip-ins come with 10 pieces of hair, which is amazing, so it can definitely cover up a full head of hair. This is how the hair look with it all blown out, and I'm loving it. It feels so soft, y'all, and it also looks like it's my actual hair. I like to start with the back of my hair and work my way up. So as you see here, I already opened up the clips, so I'm just going to be sliding the clips through my braids, and I'm just going to be snapping it into place. And this is how the first one look here, and I'm just using my pick to come out any tangle. So I'm gonna just keep adding clip-ins in my hair until it's all filled up. So there's no particular way that I'm doing it. I'm just making sure that I close out any gaps when it comes down to my cornrows showing. So the only thing that's going to be showing is the braids that I did have as my leave out, so that way I can actually blend it in well. Now that I installed all the clip-ins, this is how it looks. So I did take some of my leave out just to see how it looked, and it's blending in real well, y'all. So I just created my part again. I'm just brushing it out as well just to blend it in. And y'all, this really looks like my hair. Like, I can really fool somebody. This is amazing, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. I decided to do a Flexi Rod Set for this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dew Texture Foam Mousse, and I'm gonna be applying about 4 pumps per section. I know you see me do 2 here, but I ended up doing 4 because I just really wanted these curls to hold, and I really didn't know how much I needed. But normally I use a lesser amount, but for this one I just wanted to just, you know, go ahead and just see how 4 pumps would do. So it actually did amazing. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm just wrapping the hair around the flexi rod, and I'm just securing it like that, and I'm just gonna be repeating the same step.
Charge
just moving on towards the front of my hair. So as you see, I used some of my real hair that I did leave out, and I'm just blending it in with the actual clip-ins, and I'm using my Denman brush so that way I can really smooth out my curls and also detangle it. So that's really what also helped me achieve these bomb results. Just want to make sure that your hair is smooth and detangled before you even apply on your rods. Even though these are clip-ins, I still am treating this like it's my actual hair, because like I said, it is like my hair texture, and also it is real human hair. So I'm going to be treating this how I would when I do my own hair. So I just make sure that I take my time and just go with the flow. And as you see, my hair do curl up, so I want to make sure that my hair is not curly textured when I apply it on a rod, because how I apply it on there is how it's going to actually come out. So I just make sure that I stretch out them curls so that way it can actually apply on smoothly, and it can just come out looking bomb. We're halfway done, y'all. So this is how I look with it applied on there. So I went on ahead and sit under my hooded dryer for about 1 hour, and I just slept all night in these. Now I don't like sleeping in these, y'all, because oh my gosh, it was like the worst night ever. But anyways, the results is gonna be bomb. So beauty is definitely pain. So as you see, I'm unraveling and the curls are definitely popping. After I took down all of the rods, I am now separating the curls. So I did apply some oil on my hands, and as you see, my face is focused, y'all. I'm just really making sure that I define and finger coil my curls to the definition and the, you know, direction that it's going in. I just really want to make sure that it is perfect, y'all. So as you see here, I'm just twirling my finger around the curl in the same direction that I actually put the rod in, and so now I am done. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all my curls. As you see, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, it looks like my hair. But anyways, I'm just going to be adding some volume in it, so I am using my pick, and I also use my hands as well. Like I really was picking this out like to the best, because it is amazing and it looks like my hair. So y'all know I like volume and the curls are given, so I was like, let me see how volume and definition look with this, and y'all, the results are so bomb. I am in love, y'all. I was like, dude, this is really a look. So the curls are popping, the Betterlength clip-ins are looking good. It looks like it's my hair. So if you're looking for some clip-ins, go ahead and check out Betterlength, because they are specialized in making textured clip-ins. And check out my description box, because I will have more information in there. You can get $5 off of any clip-ins by using my promo code. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. And thank y'all for watching this video. Love y'all. Bye.
Mm-hmm.